Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Without Me by Halsey. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 5 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are D minor, F major, C major, G minor, and B flat major. If you know how to play those 5 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. The next chord is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. Our next chord is going to be C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is G minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G minor. And our last chord for this song is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be D minor for 3 beats, F major for 5 beats, C major for 3 beats, G minor for 5 beats, D minor for 3 beats, F major for 5 beats, C major for 3 beats, and B flat major for 5 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, pause, tap, down, pause, down, up, tap, down. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the D minor chord. Down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, up, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, up, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, up, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, up, tap, down. And now let's combine the string pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Without Me. Found you when your heart was broke. I filled your cup until it overflowed. Took it so far to keep you close. I was afraid to leave you on your own. I said I'd catch you if you fall. And if they laugh, forget them all. And then I got you off your knees, put you right back on your feet, so you can take advantage of me. Tell me, how's it feel, sitting up there, feeling so high, but too far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who put you up there, name in the sky. Does it ever get lonely, thinking you can live without me, thinking you can live without me? Baby, I'm the one who put you up there. I don't know why, thinking you can live without me, live without me. Baby, I'm the one who put you up there. I don't know why. Now if you you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my play along video for Without Me. And that's how you play Without Me by Halsey. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Ohana Ukuleles for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so that you can check out their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.